guys. So I got this yesterday for free. Found it in the trash. Stihl Fs45Z. So it started right up. Problem is that this goes in like all the way in, all the way. Okay, and well, am I missing a part there? I mean, it looks like it's like sliced there in the middle. Is that normal? There's no threads or anything, so how do I even put a trimmer head or spool on there? So am I missing like a gearbox or something? Like, you guys tell me, what am I missing? How am I going to connect a thing onto the square shaft, you know? And how do I screw on a spool? So I figured out I needed a bearing housing for the end, and well, that was like $40-something. Well, I'm not gonna spend $40-something. This thing's only worth like $150, right? So I have this Homelite Bandit SX135 that I found in the trash, and you know, it runs and stuff, but not really all that great. And you know, Homelite, kind of a piece of junk. I had to, you know, fix the fuel lines there, but it, you know, it just doesn't really, like I said, I got it for free. Anyway, so I decided that I was gonna yank the bearing housing out of here. I mean, it was the same diameter shaft as the Stihl, you know. So I just, it was easy. It was just one bolt there, and I banged it out, you know. And I put it on the Stihl. Fits perfectly. So instead of spending $40 on a bearing housing plus another spool, whatever, I'm just gonna sell this thing as it is for like $20 or something if somebody wants it. If not, I just use it for parts. But it does run, you know. And now my Stihl's perfect. I'm gonna start it up. Oh, it did start up. Looks good, man. Even idles well. That was definitely worth it. Like I said, found it on the street, somebody's trash. It was my first Stihl. I don't know. I don't really know what the hoopla is about Stihl. I mean, I have a weed eater that starts even faster than that, you know? I guess it's all about the equipment, you know. As long as you take care of it and know what you're doing, you can get it to start well. This thing here is really deceiving. O is off, I guess. And that's on, but it could be on, you know? It should be spring loaded, you know what I'm saying? So it's off. O for off. I gotta put a sticker there. Anyway, got it for free. Didn't spend a dime. However, now my Homelite is really useless. But I found that too. I'm going to keep this. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.